So welcome back, practice set 3.5, question 12. I'm starting with question 12, which I said is very tricky. Nx square, okay. Now what they've said is x minus 2 and x minus half both are factors. They are both factors. Therefore, if I take x is equal to 2, then the remainder should be 0. Therefore, p of 2 equals to n into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus m is equal to 4n minus 10 plus m. So this is 0. Okay. This is equation 1. Now, since this is also factor, therefore if I take x as half, then also remainder should be 0. So therefore p of half equals to n into half square minus 5 into half plus m. What will I get here? N upon 4 minus 5 upon 2 plus m. So here we have to get the remainder. Okay. So n upon 4 we have to multiply this by 2, this by 2. Okay. N minus 10 upon 4 plus m. Okay. Then this is equal to 0. We know. Therefore n minus 10 plus 4m is equal to 0 into 4. 4 into 0. Okay. So this is equation 2. So you see equation 1, equation 2. Solving these two equations, we will get the value of n and m. Okay. So first just copy this much. I will pause the video for 1 second, like for 1 minute, and copy this much. Now what we will do is we have to get both of them to be same. How to get both of them? Here we have 4n, we have 1n. So we can multiply this by 4. 2 into 4 will give us 4n minus 40 plus 16m equals to 0. Okay, and subtract 1 from it, minus 4n minus 10 plus m. Okay, so minus becomes plus and this becomes minus. Okay, since we are doing subtraction, minus n will become plus and plus n will become minus. So 4n minus 4n will be 0. Minus 40 plus 10 will be minus 30. And 16m minus m is going to be 15m. Okay. So now if we take this, minus 30 minus 15m equals to 0. Minus 30 equals to 15m. Okay. Minus 30, 15 goes below, upon 15 equals to m. Minus 2 is equal to m. So m's value is minus 2. That is the answer for question number 12. So 16m minus m is going to be 15m. This is going to be positive m. So m is positive 15m and 30 can go that side. So the only small thing that something is I have done wrong. So I have 15m equals to 30, m equals to 30 upon 15, m equals to 2. Substituting the value of m in one of the equations, equation 1. So equation 1 is what? 4n minus 10 plus m. We know m is 2. 4n minus 8 equals to 0 equals to 8, n equals to 2. Okay, so therefore n is also 2 and m is also 2. So that concludes practice at 3.5 fully. I have done all the 13 questions and this 12th question I have just done now. 12th question काफ़ी easy है, ना कुछ difficult तो है नहीं. Okay, क्योंकि उसमें asterisk mark किया तो asterisk वाले question थोड़े difficult रहते हैं. Okay, so please take this down and I hope you have understood practice at 3.5.